Hey, welcome to my video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. I've been away for a little while because I've been trying to get my life together. So in today's video, I just wanted to give you a quick unboxing of my April and May Ipsy bags, along with giving you a quick life update. So guys, if you're interested in watching that, continue to watch the video. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I upload a video. So yeah, I'm back, guys. I took a little bit of a break. I think I missed an upload last Sunday or whatever. As you've probably noticed, my uploads have been getting later and later, and sometimes into Mondays. But that's because we are in the process of selling our home. So we have been decluttering our house, you know, doing a bunch of upgrades, fixing a few things around the house just to make sure we can get top dollar for the home. So we're in the process of doing that. Now I've been having showings kind of back to back to back. So it's very hard to record videos during this time. And along with that, I have packed away my lighting equipment, which I hope my lighting is okay in this video. I have no lighting, just the natural lighting around the house, and it's not daylight, so I'm not getting any daylight. So hopefully my lighting's okay for this video. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know what's going on in my life right now and why you haven't really been seeing uploads from me. But I'm here. I'm trying to make it work, guys. I'm trying to make it work around everything that's going on. You know, our busy schedules with work and remote learning still. Just trying to make it work and fit it all in, guys. So I'm excited to unbox my April and May Ipsy bags. So like I said, if you're interested in watching that, continue watching the video. So let's get right on into this video. All right, guys, so I'm gonna start off with my April bag. So this is the April Ipsy bag, guys. This is really, really cute. It has a bunch of cute looking tropical colors. Really, really cute bag. So let's see what's inside April's Ipsy bag. It comes with a card that explains all the different items that are in the bag. So I will be reading off what the items are as I pull them out of the bag. So for the first item I have is the Twisted Sister 30-second curl spray with coconut, avocado, and almond oils. It revitalizes curls, eliminates frizz. So that's what that looks like. This looks like a really cool spray for my natural hair. So I can't wait to use this and see how it does. This is a really, really small sample size. So I don't know, I may just get it on maybe not even one side of my hair. We're gonna see. But hopefully I will get to see what this product can do on the little bit of spray that I do have. So a little bit about this spray. So it says it's a Twisted Sister 30-second curl spray. It refreshes and wakes up your curls and coils with this multitasking spray. It adds tons of moisture and shine to your strands, helps define your curl pattern, and prevents frizz and flyaways, all in a few quick spritz. So it says tip, for even more curl definition, use a diffuser to dry your hair after using this mist. Really, really cool. Can't wait to try this. I have heard of Twisted Sister before. Never tried it, so I can't wait to try this out. So let's go on to the next item in the bag. So this is a highlighter. Okay, so this is a St. Luke's highlighter. And there's that. So that's what it looks like out of the box. And this says, it's a St. Luke's highlighter in Opulence. I hope I'm saying that word right. When it comes to highlighters, the feel of this formula can't be beat. The shimmery pigments are silky, blendable, supremely wearable, and won't create any creases or streaks. All you'll see is perfectly illuminated skin. Tip, apply to the high points of your face like your cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow. So the full size of this retails for $18, and I forgot to mention that the full size for the Twisted Sister spray retails for $8.99. So yeah, guys, this is what the highlighter looks like. Let me open it up for you. It's very shimmery, very cute. It looks like it has a bit of sparkle in this. So I cannot wait to try this out. As a lot of you know, if you watch my videos, I'm not really big on makeup. So I love to try new things and see if I'm gonna like it, which is why I've subscribed to Ipsy. So I cannot wait to try this out and see if it's something that I'm going to like. On to the next. Well, this says Nomad Toscana. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's an intense eyeshadow. This says Nomad Toscani Intense Eyeshadow in Aperitivo. This shimmery rose quartz shadow is the perfect shade for spring, and thanks to grapeseed oil, this moisturizing formula has the most incredible color payoff. Tip, apply to inner eye corners to light up your eye area. And the full size of this retails for $27. So it is an eyeshadow, guys. I do not normally wear eyeshadows at all. I'm more of a eyeliner, mascara type of girl. Okay, so this is really, really tiny. It's really tiny. That's what it looks like. Okay, it looks like a really, really cute blush color, I guess. Really cute. That's what that looks like. On to the next product. All right, guys, so this is the next item. This is a Verified Skincare 2020 eye cream. It gives you delicate eye area, the TLC it deserves with this do-it-all eye cream. The magic inside the bottle: depuffing cucumber extract, brightening niacinamide, firming peptides, and phytoglycogens. I hope I got that right. Phytoglycogens. Plant-based actives that boost collagen production and hydration levels. Tip, this eye cream doubles as the perfect primer for super smooth eye makeup application. So not only is this an eye cream, it doubles as a primer. So this is cool. I would love to see if there's anything that works for my puffy eyes or my under eye circles. They're not very noticeable, but I can see them. So I like to see if there's anything that can kind of eliminate that. So this is cool. I can't wait to try this out. On to the next. This is the last product in the April bag, and this is what it looks like. This is a Gold Faden MD Hands to Heart Anti-Aging Brightening Hand Treatment. It says, finally, a multitasking cream that makes dry, dull hands and a distant memory. This potent formula soaks in fast. That means no stickiness or greasiness, and treats hands to a dose of hydrating hyaluronic acid and skin brightening retinol niacinamide. Tip, repair dry hands while you sleep and slather on this lightweight cream before bed. So the full-size product retails for $38 on this, guys. And I forgot to mention the eye cream, the full size is actually retails for $60.38, guys. So that's pretty pricey for me when it comes to products. Yeah, I'm more of a, Walgreens type of makeup kind of girl, something you can buy at Walmart. That's the kind of thing I like to buy. So high-end things are cool and everything, but I don't know if I want to spend $60 on an eye cream. But anyway. Yeah, so anyway, this is the last product, and it's a hand treatment, which is cool because I have really dry hands because I'm constantly washing my hands. I really want to see if this actually does what it says it's gonna do. Can't wait to try this out. So that's that, guys. So that's it for my April bag. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the May bag. Okay, guys, so this is the May bag. Really cute, pink, looks like floral design on it. Love it. Can never have too many of these little bags. I like to store things in them, like, my skincare products, my makeup, even notes. If I have notes that I don't really know what to do with, I kind of store them in here because I have so many of them. It's really, really neat just to kind of use them for different things. So let's peep in this bag and see what it's all about. So the first item that I see is a full cover foundation by Koki in the color 40W, whatever that means, y'all. I hope I got that right. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it says. So yeah, it says Koki Cosmetics Full Cover Foundation in 40W. The days of having to choose between feel and coverage when it comes to foundation are over. This formula is ultra lightweight and provides full coverage to hide everything from zits to dark circles. We love how the silky matte finish goes on seamlessly and lasts for hours too. It says, tip, using a brush or sponge to apply an even layer all over your face. And this full size product retails for $13. I can't wait to try this because I am a very light product user. I do not like heavy, cakey makeup at all. Anything that feels too thick on my skin, I do not like. But the fact that this says it's a full cover, but it's light, I like that. So I can't wait to try this out. It says made in Italy. Okay, fancy, made in Italy. Okay, so next in my May bag is a hibiscus Balm Glow Lip Mask, and it looks like this. Oh, this is really cute and fancy looking for a lip balm. It says Sapphirine Botanicals Hibiscus Balm Glow Lip Mask. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips with this hydrating leave-on treatment that truly lives up to its name. It's made with nourishing plant butters and soothing sweet orange and hibiscus extracts to give your lips a dewy glow. Tip: sleep your way to a smoother, supple smile by adding this lip mask to your PM routine. The full size of this retails for $25, y'all. So this is really cool. It's like a lip mask, which is cool because I have been experiencing really dry lips lately. I don't know what that's about. I don't know if that's because I'm in the house all day and I don't really do much to myself. But yes, this is really cool. And the fact that it, is made with natural products, cruelty free, it's vegan, and this lasts on your shelf for 12 months. I like it. I love the ingredients in the back. Has apricot, jojoba, rosehip, evening primrose oils. Sweet orange, hibiscus, all that good stuff. Shea butter. Love it. Can't wait for this one. Next product is a Bye Bye Puppy Eyes. I like it already. Bye Bye Puppy Eyes. Looks like this. So it says Glow on 5th Bye Bye Puppy Eyes. Under eyes in need of a wake-up call, this cooling eye balm has you covered. It's infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extracts to minimize dark circles, reduce puffiness, and refresh tired-looking skin. Tip: gently dab a small amount beneath both eyes until it's fully absorbed. The full retail price for this is $24. Y'all, this is a small sample, but let me tell y'all, I'm going to use every ounce of this Bye Bye Puppy Eyes. I cannot wait to use this. Like I said, sometimes I really can feel the dark circles under my eyes when I'm really tired and have not gotten much sleep. So I can't wait to try this out and see what it does for my dark circles. So this is the Stella Cream Rose, the very best cream rose body lotion, and I've already had this before. This was in one of my previous bags, and I do like this lotion. It says body lotion, but I use this on my hands more than my body. I have used it on my body though. The one that I had previously is gone. I used it all up. I love that it's thick, it's moisturizing. So like I said, it's thick enough for the body, but it also feels really good on the hands. So I like this, and I'm glad that they put another one in another Ipsy bag. The full retail price of this is $32. And I'm gonna go ahead and read what it says. Every time you slather on this velvety cream, you treat your hands and body to intense moisture thanks to antioxidants, cupcake butter, and Abyssinian oil. Plus, the sweet jasmine peach and rose water scent is so refreshing for spring and summer. Tip: massage it into your hands, arms, legs, and chest as often as desired. So like I said, this is a great item for your full body. Really enjoyed this product. Okay, and last but not least in my May bag is Autobalm Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go. So not exactly sure what this is, but that's what it looks like. Okay, so this looks like it's some type of a blush. Really cute. I don't know, it's like a raspberry color. Really cute. So let's read more about this. It says the Balm Cosmetics Autobalm Girl Powder in Bourbon. So it's a bourbon color. It says, we're always excited when a product from The Balm comes across our desk, and this matte finish blush has quickly become our new go-to. The versatile deep rose shade goes from work to weekend, plus it's long-lasting, blends with no streaks, and totally buildable. Tip: dust a fluffy blush brush into the blush. Say that 10 times fast. Okay, dust a fluffy blush brush into the blush, then swirl it into your cheeks and add more if needed. So the full size version of this costs $26.50. This is what that looks like. So it looks like a really cool blush. Guys, like I said, I stick to normally a foundation, a powder, some eyeliner, and some mascara, a little bit of lip gloss, chapstick, or even Vaseline, and that's my go-to makeup routine every day. So I'm excited to try all these different products, especially the powder, the blush. I can't wait to try out the lip mask because that sounds like it's gonna really do my lips some good. And I definitely can't wait to try the 2 different eye creams that I received, because like I said, when your girl is tired, her eyes are dark, those circles just come right out. So I just want to see if those eye creams really do work for my eyes. Another thing I'm excited to try is the spray for my hair. I want to see if it's really going to give me curl definition in 30 seconds, y'all. I'm going to see if it works out. Thank you for being patient with me as I upload my videos. Thank you for coming back and watching, for those who are coming back. I appreciate you all. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching this video. But before I go, have you tried any of the items that I've showed you in the April and May Ipsy bag? If you have, comment down below which item you've tried and what you thought about it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.